Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Okay. Happy Teachers Day to all. Okay, guys. Shall we start the section? Okay. You guys know very well known about what is ICT. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone know what is ICT is. Okay. For paper one, ICT is a easily scoring paper. Okay, easily scoring unit. We can easily get 5 out of 5 from ICT with short duration. Yeah, little bit audible. Yeah, sure. And so we can easily score 5 out of 5 in ICT with the minimum time. So just we want to know about the basic things of what is computer and what are all the processes are done in the computer and what are the apps and guys, others please mute yourself. Others kindly mute your mic. Yeah, thank you. So this is what ICT is all about. So we'll discuss about what is computer and what are all the input and output processes and how computer works and what are all the components inside the computer and how we use internet and all the softwares which we use for internet access and for our application users. Then we deal with some data related things like primary, secondary memory and number conversions. We all will do that. Okay. Okay. Guys, you guys know about what is computer. We are coming from the basic of the computer is the history of the computer. Okay. Why we are starting from the history of the computer is they are asking so many questions in history of the computers regarding first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation, sixth generation computers are there. So each generation have a specific component they are using. Okay. Audio is not stable, sir. Kindly check your connectivity, ma'am. For my connectivity is strong, so kindly check your connectivity. Is that problem for everyone? My voice is very low or it's not audible?
No, sir, your voice is audible. It's just that it's crackling. That's all.
Okay.
It's audible, but not just that clear, sir.
What can we do? Okay, guys. Now it's clear now. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation computers. Okay. Others can please mute your mic, please. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. Kindly mute your mic. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Okay. These generations, which are each generation, the particular component were used in the each generation. In the first generation, they are used vacuum tube. Second generation, they used transistors. Third generation computers, they used integrated circuit like IC. Okay, fourth generation computer, they use very large scale integrated circuit. Now nowadays we are using these types of chips only. This is called CPU. CPU that means brain of the computer. Okay, it's not about the cabin we are using. It's a chip is the brain of the computer. Okay. Then we are using ultra large scale integrated circuit in the fifth generation. Currently we are in the fifth generation. The future is artificial intelligence. So every computer science students and everyone know about we are looking forward to move on artificial intelligence. So these are the components which we are using in the history of the computers. Okay, currently we are in the 5th generation computers. Okay, currently we are using these types of chips in our motherboards. These chips are controlling our entire process. Abbreviations of VLSI is a very large scale integrated circuit. Okay, that ULSI is ultra large scale integrated circuit. Okay, very large scale integrated circuit, ultra large scale integrated circuit. Yeah, welcome, man. So the computers only know about the known language for computer is some machine language. The machine language is nothing but a binary language. It's the machine only know about zeros and ones, but we cannot easily speak to the computer with the zeros and ones. So we speak our language to the computer. So the moderate thing is language translator is needed. So initially, in the first generation computer, we use low-level language, binary language, machine language, all are same. Okay, we use zeros and ones, but we are able to code it and do some programs. But if I do one program in a particular system, I may not be copy the particular program and run into the another system because all the memory location and all the things will be different. So which is not feasible for a one program I will use in different systems. Okay, if I do a one program in a one particular system, I only use in the particular system only. So I just move to the machine language to the assembly language and develop some mnemonic codes. Okay, this codes will really helpful to do some video games and all these things will created in these types only. But this is also is very tough to understand and all these things. Then we later move on to high level language. That is what we are speaking as a high level language, but computer cannot understand what we are speaking directly. Okay, we have a certain codes in the high level language we use it instead of a binary and assembly language. Okay, we have a C, for example, if you are using C program, print in for input, print out for output. Okay, we can use some codes in high level language. So whatever the language we have spoken in the high level language, we are computing some programs. This language which cannot be understood by the CPU of the computer. So we need a language translator to convert the high level language to the low level language. Okay, as well as assembly language. Okay, so these are the language translators, so compilers, interpreter, and assemblers. Okay, assembler is a program, is also a program. It converts the assembly language to the low level language. Okay, which was assembly language was used in the second generation computers only. Third generation computer itself, they are using high level languages only. Now we are using compiler and interpreter. Both are doing the same work. Okay, both are working the same work. They are converting high level language to the low level language. They are converting high level language to low level language. But what is the difference between the compiler and interpreter is compiler is convert the whole program at the time of execution. Once you compile all the program, it will compile all the programs. That means all the lines in the program and it gives the results. Okay, what are all the errors and or if no errors means it will give an output. Okay, interpreter is doing a line by line interpretation. Okay, it's a line by line conversion. If any error in the particular line, it will show the message. Then if we rectify it, then only it comes to the next. These are the difference between compiler and interpreter. Basically, compiler, interpreter, assembler are doing a same work. Like these are all language translator. Why I'm stressing these points is in last exam they are asking what are all the language translators are there, which is not the one, which is not a language translator they are asking. But in the compiler and interpreter, they are asking regularly one question in the compiler and interpreter assembler. Okay, they are asking at least one question in this. Okay, out of 50 questions, because paper one we have a 10 set of different questions. They will ask definitely one question in the language translators. So that's why I'm stressing this point. Voice is not clear, sir. Is it? So okay, for everyone, his voice is I'm not audible.
Audible, sir.
If particularly for one or two people, Kindly check your connectivity, guys. Kindly check your connectivity.
But in between
Okay,
it is
everyone has the same
crackling, sir.
problem. Okay.
In between it is crackling.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question. Is the
Yes.
difference between the compiler and interpreter and assembler? Assembler is from low level to
Okay.
high level, whereas the compiler and interpreter is the same, from high level to low level.
Yeah.
Okay, and then so
Assembler convert only assembly language to low level language.
okay, so the first generation uses assembler, whereas the one that we're using is the compiler and interpreter.
I don't get you. Actually, your voice is cracking for me.
Okay. What I'm asking is, sir, is whether what we're using is the compiler or the interpreter for our 5th generation.
For conversion, each program have a different set of language translators. For C and C++, we are using compilers. For Ruby, Perl, Python, PHP, we are using interpreter. It depends on the program we are using.
Okay. So
Okay.
one more question. Is this in the book? Because I'm trying to find it and I can't.
Okay.
Sir,
It
can you
depends on-
please just explain shortly what is compiler, interpreter, and assembler?
Okay, ma'am. Compiler, interpreter, assembler, both, all these three are language translator now. Okay. Language translators.
Okay, sir.
Okay, these language translators are converted the high-level language and the assembly language to low-level language, which means binary language. Because system only able to understand binary language only. So all these things will convert high-level language and assembly language to the low-level language. These are all language translators. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the difference between a compiler and interpreter is because both are convert the program low-level language into high-level language. Sorry, high-level language into the low-level language. The particular thing is the compiler compile the whole program. Interpreter convert the line-by-line instruction. That's all. These are the main difference between compiler and interpreter. Assembler, nowadays we are not using assembler because assembler is used for only
second generation
assembly language.
language.
Yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. This is called computer generation language. Then we are using first generation, we are using binary language. Second generation, we are using assembly language. Third generation only, we are started to use the high-level languages programs like C, C++, Java, Basic, Pascal. Then fourth generation itself, we are using very high-level language like these are all some of the languages we are using nowadays. Because why I'm mentioning all these things, last time they are asking SQL is which is comes under which generation of the languages. Okay, so someone asking about what is PHP full form. PHP is not a full form, sir. It is a scripted programming language, sir. That's all. It's a scripted programming languages. Okay, there is no full form for PHP. Okay, it's a scripted programming language, so which is used for database programming language for PHP and SQL. Okay. So these are the languages which are used in each generation. So you should remember the third generation and fourth generation languages. What are all the languages or we are using in the third generation and fourth generation? Because these type of questions will ask nowadays. Okay. Okay. Now come to the computer software. Okay. Just I am giving a short notes on everything because we have to cover this entire ICT in 1.5 hours. So I just give a points of what we have, what are all the points we have to stick to that, and which are the important points. I will make a point in that particular things. Okay, what is computer software? Computer software is nothing but a set of program instructions which will do a perform of a particular task is a program. Okay, in this computer software we classify into a system software and application software. The system software is nothing but an example of we have a hardware we are not going to use this hardware with this application. Okay, this application which is not installed and used by our hardware, we need a system software to use this application. This system software is an interface for the hardware and the software. Okay, without this system softwares like OS, we cannot install or use the applications like Word, Dropbox, or Google Drive, Gmail, YouTube. We cannot access it if it is an app. Okay, if it is an app, we can directly access the Gmail, YouTube in the browser. Okay, in the browser, but which we have to use in the app format, we need a software to use this application. Okay, without system software, we cannot install any of the app. Okay, we need a system software. What is the OS? It's OS is an operating system. So a blue color. Okay, it's an or. This is called Windows. This is Apple. This is Linux. This is Android. Okay. Guys, then software is nothing but we know all about the software things. In the software, they are classified in the use of software. So freeware, shareware, open source software, and software or proprietary software. So freeware is which is available for the free of cost, which is available in the free of cost. We can use it, use the app and applications, whatever we can do in the particular app. But shareware is the particular app we can use for a limited period of time, or we can access the app on the lifetime with the minimal application, with the minimal use. We cannot access the entire app. We can use the minimal use only. Okay, that is what shareware is. Open source software is the software like a freeware only, but we can get the open source. Okay, we can get the code of the software. If you are a software engineer, you can edit the codes as per your convenient, and you can use this software. Okay, this is what is open source software is. The difference between freeware and open source software is nothing like both are free only. You can get the source code. Okay, you can get the source code here. Here you can get only app. Okay, the software or proprietary software is you have to pay for a particular software and then only you can use. Okay. So then MS Office. So MS Office is a type of software, but they are asking a lot of questions in MS Office. Continuously, they are asking 2 to 3 questions in MS Office. In the MS Office, they have a word processing, spreadsheet, and presentation. Word processing is nothing but we are using MS Word. Okay, that Word which we are using for a documentation purpose in the office, like a memo and a letter purpose, we are using Word documents. So in the main purpose of Word is what you see is what you get. Okay, once you deals with MS Office, what you are typing and what you are editing is then only what you are done in the particular file format, you only get the same thing in the printer. Okay, it is the tagline of the MS word processor. Okay, then you can able to edit the font style and font shape and size, everything. The editing of the word process is not word editing, it is called word formatting. Why I'm stressing these things is these things will be asking repetitively in the questions. Okay, in the spreadsheet, a spreadsheet is used for the all the spreadsheets which is used for the calculation purpose, for accountant purpose, and some calculation purpose. Okay, maximum if you see any calculation which is the help of done by the spreadsheet only. The presentation is the one software which is used for the multimedia operations. Okay, which is used for the multimedia operations. So these are the short things about MS Office. So you guys have to look into what is word processing, what is spreadsheet, what is presentation, because they are asking in the match the following type of questions. They are regularly asking what is spreadsheet and what is word processing and what is presentation. Okay, it's a file format. These are all very, very important thing, because in the video file format, image file format, sound file format, and document file format, and text file format, they are regularly asking. they are giving 4 file names, and which one is the video file format, and which one is the image file format, and which one is the sound file format they are asking. Okay, so you have to mug up all these things, because we have no other way to go with that. We know what is MP4 and MP3 is, JPEG, JPG. These are the things we know, but other file format we don't know exactly. So kindly read all the video file format and image file format and sound file format, and especially Word, document, and text format. This document is meant for MS Office. This is what PDF. This is for Word. This is for a spreadsheet. This is for a presentation like a PPT, our PowerPoint. Okay. So kindly mug up all these things. Okay. Because based on this, they are asking one question. Okay, which is comes under sound file format. They are giving 4 file format, and what are all the kindly mention the list of what is the sound file format and the image file format and video file format. They are asking regularly. Okay, so kindly mug up this. I will share this PPT once the class is completed. Okay, so no need to worry about that. Then second important thing is motherboard. Okay, we all know about this is a CPU cabinet.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir, text me what is the difference between doc and docs, doc dot and docx? Because in one question, they both options are there, doc and docs for texting in
Okay.
Microsoft
Doc,
Word, but
yes,
the
yes, sir.
docs is correct and doc is wrong.
In 2007 for MS Office file format, they are coming under docx now. After 2007 MS Office, there comes under doc. That's all. If they
Okay,
read
sir.
the question, read it again. The file format of 2007 file format they are asking. That's all.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
In MS Office 2007, every file which contain last of X, which is comes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So this is what a motherboard is. Okay, this is called a CPU cabin. In the CPU cabin, if you open the cabin, we'll see the motherboard. This is what motherboard is. Okay, this is ATX power connector. Okay, from this ATX power thing, we can get the power from this box to all the devices from motherboard also. Okay, this is the ATX power connector. From this connector only, we get the power to this motherboard. Initially we saw the chip of I already told this is the memory of the computer, okay, or brain of the computer, which is CPU. This particular Intel chip which is inserted in this particular place, this is called CPU socket, and they have installed one fan and a sink which reduce the heat, because the processor have a lot of heat will produce, so they have a sink and fan in above the processor. Okay, they have a PCA slot which is for used for add the other peripheral devices, or how to attach in the particular computer. We used peripheral component interconnect. PCA is meant for peripheral component interconnect, and we used DRAM slot for insert a RAM. We insert a RAM chip here. Okay, so then AGP port, which is used for accelerated graphics port, attached video cards. If you add a video card, we have to insert here. Okay, then we have a CMOS battery backup. So every PC have a CMOS battery of power of 3 to 6 voltage power. So initially give a boost to the network, and it will maintain the time and date of the system. If the CMOS battery is weak, your system time and date will not be accurate. If the time and in the system time and date will be differ, it will not properly connect to your internet. Okay, only your system date and time will be accurate and perfect, then only you are able to connect with your internet. Okay, then these are the very important things. These are the peripheral devices interconnection part. We look into that. Okay, in this part only we are connecting our mouse, keyboard, our printer, our monitor, our Ethernet cable, USB ports, all HDMI port, and our audio video jacks all are connected in the back sides of this plot. Okay, so you guys remember all these things because they are asking in the last time what is peripheral component interconnectors, what is PCI stands for, because they are asking or seeking for a clean knowledge about the computer. You should know about what is the each and everything of the particular part which is we are using in the motherboard and the computer parts. So you guys note this. ID is integrated drive electronics. This integrated drive electronics is used for connect our hard disk or our optical disk like our CD drive and all these things. Okay, we know what is CMOS battery is. Peripheral component interconnect is nothing but we can additionally add some sound card, video card in the peripheral component interconnect. AGP is accelerate the graphics port. We can easily connect the attaching the video card here. ATX, which is nothing but advanced technology extender to give the power connection to the particular motherboard. Okay, kindly note it. So then memory hierarchy. So everyone know about what memory hierarchy is. So this is what the processing speed of the memory. Okay, initially the memory is separated by the primary memory and secondary memory. We know primary memory is what? Primary memory is nothing but RAM and ROM. Okay, can you play? Yeah. I will share this PDF definitely. I will share this presentation as a PDF. Note this, primary memory is nothing but our RAM and ROM. All the secondary memory is, we are using secondary memory as our memory storage devices like hard disk, pen drive, floppy, and CD. But we didn't see about what is cache memory and CPU registers. Okay, usually these memories are virtual memories which can act fast as they can. Okay. Basically, CPU registers are the very fastest memory. They are doing process. Okay, in terms of process, CPU registers are the fastest memory. Next is cache memory is the second fastest processing memory. After that only the RAM will come. Okay, after the RAM, the second storage devices will come. Okay, the hierarchy is the fastest memory of processing is CPU registers, then cache memory, and RAM. This is the process. After that only the secondary storage devices will come. Okay, clear? Okay, why I'm asking is they are asking about you have to arrange in the sequence of which is highest memory and lowest memory. Okay, this particular question will be asked in 2 to 3 times. Okay, so CPU registers is the fastest memory, then cache memory, then RAM, then only a secondary storage devices will come. Okay, so this is called cache chip. Okay, cache chip. This is CPU registers. Okay, RAM and ROM. Okay, RAM and ROM have a different purpose. RAM is random access memory, is a volatile one. It's a volatile one. ROM is a non-volatile memory, which means whatever we are given in the ROM, which is not editable, it is only readable. Okay, which is not editable, it is only readable. In the particular motherboard, RAM is inbuilt and with the BIOS chip. BIOS. BIOS is nothing but basic input-output system. It checked, okay, this RAM chip checked all the input-output devices, all the peripheral devices, particularly connected to the motherboard, which is connected properly or not. It is a bootstrapping of the computer. Initially, when the power is coming to the CPU, it checks all the motherboards and all the keyboards and all the hard drives and the keyboard plus mouse, which is properly connected to the system or not. If anything which is not properly connected or disconnected, it will give an instruction. Your hard disk is not connected. Your keyboard is not connected. This is the main function of ROM. Okay, this is the main function of ROM. So it have a already written program. It is in the ROM chip. Okay, RAM is a processor. RAM is a processor. Once the bootstrapping is over, then it comes to the Windows loading section. Once the Windows is loading, the RAM will act. Whatever the program or whatever the process which is started in the computer, the RAM will take in charge of the process. Okay, the RAM will take in charge of the process. So RAM will act accordingly. In this RAM, so it can fetch the data from a storage device and process the particular program or particular data and edit the particular data. It can do editing and retrieving from the storage devices. After doing all these things, once the power is off, there is nothing is stored in the RAM, but it was stored in our secondary storage devices like hard disk. But which any data which is stored in the hard disk, which is not stored in the RAM. RAM is the only thing which is processed. Okay, RAM is the only thing which is going to process the particular data for some time. Okay, once the power is off, all the data in the RAM will be deleted or vanished. Okay, if you are saving the particular data into your secondary storage device, then you can retrieve it. Okay, there is nothing can be stored in the RAM. Okay, for a permanent basis, you can process it. Okay, you can process it. This is the process of RAM and ROM. So RAM is comparatively higher speed memory to the ROM, but ROM have not as much compared to the processing speed. We are competing memory speed as cache memory. So CPU registers, cache memory, RAM, as well as secondary devices. That's all. So these are the secondary devices which we are used for the memory devices. Okay, floppy. They have a maximum capacity of the storage area and the storage component we are used for the particular devices. Okay, the floppy is 1.44 MB and it is made up of magnetic compound. And the CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, which comes under optical. Okay, this is CD, this is DVD, this is Blu-ray disc, which comes under optical device. So this optical devices, what is CDR and RW is? CDR is nothing but CD readable. We can read one time. Okay, we can burn it. Burning is a process of copying the data into the particular CD. The process is called burning. Okay, burning is the process of copying the data to the CD. Okay, so CD RW is CD rewritable. In the CD rewritable, we can delete the data and rewrite the CD again 2 times. Okay, this is what a magneto-optical disk, which we are not using in the current scenario, which is used for some scientific purpose in early stage. Okay, now we are not using this. DVD we are using. Its maximum capacity is 4.7 GB to 17 GB, which is made up of optical disk. Blu-ray is also 25 GB optical disk. I am giving this. They are asking a particular memory storage device is made up of which component is. Okay, and which is the maximum storage capacity is. These type of questions will ask nowadays. So you should know what are all the memory device we are using, what is the maximum memory capacity, and what component is made up of. Okay, then we know our SD card. Okay, this is maximum up to 512 GB, which is storage component of flash memory. Okay, a pen drive which is made up of solid state. And in the hard disk also, they have a magnetic disk as well as solid state. External disk we are using a magnetic disk. And okay, these are the things. This is what. Okay, this is hard disk. Hard disk, right? Is a solid state disk. Okay, this is the difference. Then this one is magnetic tape. This one is magnetic tape. Okay, these are all secondary memory device we are using to store the information. Okay, then you know what is machine languages? Machine language is nothing but a binary language. Binary language, so for a binary digit zeros and ones we are using. this bit is come from a binary digit. Binary digit, we can get it bit. Bit is nothing but a 0 or 1. Okay, the 4 bit is equal to, the 4 bit equal to 1 nibble. 8 bits equal to 1 byte, which is the least term of memory is bit. Which is the least term of memory is bit, because bit is the simplest form or the least one, which is represent the memory is 1. Then a 4 bit is equal to nibble. 8 bits equal to 1 byte. From this 1 byte, we have a kilobyte. Okay, 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes equal to 1 megabyte. 1024 megabytes equal to 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabytes equal to 1 terabyte. 1024 terabytes equal to 1 petabyte. So we know from terabyte, okay, we know what is terabyte is, okay, because we are using 1 TB hard disk and 1 TB external hard disk. We are using the in today's world. But the petabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte, brontobyte, geobyte, which are we are not using it right now, but these are the memory unit. Is the maximum things we are. It's available in the Google. Okay, so the kilobyte, we know that the kilobyte is the which is represented whatever the unit will in the computer will represent in the kilobyte only. If you have any file which is represented in the kilobyte format only, which is not shown as the byte or bit. Nowadays, whatever the file you have, it is represented by the kilobyte only. Okay. So why it is 2 power 10 means we know what is 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 3 is 8. That means 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. 1024. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, the 10 times of 2 is nothing but 1024. That means every kilobyte have a 2 to the power of 10 bytes have. Okay. In kilobyte, 2 to the power of 10 byte have in the kilobyte. Okay. If it is megabyte, it have 2 to the power of 20 bytes. 2 to the power of 20 bytes. In gigabyte, they have 2 to the power of 30 bytes. It have. So you should remember the memory hierarchy. Then so memory units in the correct proper list: kilobyte, megabyte. So able to kilobytes. It's a kilobyte. Okay, Pavitra, what do you want to say? I don't get you. Kibibyte. Kibibyte is not then the option. Then why you are giving? So don't deviate from this. You just follow this. This is the thing. Kibibyte is not available. Okay. So kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte, brontobyte, geobyte. These are the memory unit which is available. So from this, you have to start reading from kilobyte to geobyte. So it is plus of 10, 2 power 10, 2 power 20, 2 power 30, 2 power 40, 2 power 50, up to 2 power 100. Okay. Because basically they are asking some questions related to the memory unit. They are randomly giving 4 to 5 memory units arranged in the ascending order, descending order, or if 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 into 1024 into 1024 kilobytes, or they are giving option like that. Okay, so they are using this particular table. They are asking 2 to 3, 4 questions in this particular memory unit. So kindly note it. Okay, kindly note this. Okay, this is a number system. Number system of this computer is we are using binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal. For binary, we are using 0 and 1. The base is 2. This is what base. 0 and 1, base is 2. For decimal number, we are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 0 to 9, the base is 10. For octal, 0 to 7, we are using a base is 8. Base is 8. Hexadecimal, we are using 0 to 15. But 0 to 9, we are using the numbers, and for 10 to 15, we are using A, B, C, D, E, F. For 0 to 9 and A to F, base 16. Okay, this is how the binary numbers we are placing into the decimal numbers. Okay, for example, if you have put 1111 here, this particular value. Okay, for example, if I am telling 742, 742 is for 2, it is the value, it is the value of ones. Okay, 2 which is representing the ones value, is it right? 4 which is representing the tens value, 7 which is representing the hundreds value. That's why it is called 742. And like the same way, this value is belongs to 2 power 0, which is 1. This is 2 power 1 is 2. This is 2 power 2 is 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024. Okay, if we write one binary number like 11011, if you converted into the decimal number, this value belongs to, if you put 1 means the value is in, the value is on. Okay, if you put 0 means it becomes off, or there is no value, this particular field is null. Okay, then if you put 1 means this value is 1, 2. If we put 1 here, the value is 4, but we are putting 0, so it becomes 0. So this is 8, this is 16. If we are adding 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1, the total value is 27. The binary value of 11011 is equal to 27 binary number. Okay, the 27 is decimal number. So okay, if we are doing some calculation, okay, so how to convert decimal number to binary number? Decimal number to binary number. Tell any binary number, any decimal number. Okay, why we are putting 0 instead of 4, 0.25? Akash, I'm not getting you properly. Can you please? Okay, I will take 51. Okay, 51. Okay, 5, which is very easy. That's why I'm putting 51. Okay, so 51 base 10, because it is a decimal number, we have to convert into the binary number base 2. Okay. Okay, I will do that later. 1031, they are not going to ask in the exam. So better you can do your 2 decimal numbers. Then we'll ask. 51 is not a decimal number, sir. Why 51 is not a decimal number? Who told? I'm asking, decimal number is 51 is decimal number only. Okay, so we have to 2. Okay, 51 which is not divisible by 2, because which is a odd number. So I am taking 1 as a remainder. It becomes 50. Then 50 divided by 2, it's 25. Okay, again, so 25 which is not divisible by 2. So we take 1 here and it becomes 24. Then 24 divided by 2, it becomes 12. So 12 which is divisible by 2, so we can, the remainder is 0, it becomes 6, 2. So 6 is divisible by 2, it becomes 3. So 1, 1. Okay, here. So we can write from this bottom to right, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So this is the binary number of 51. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. For 51, this is the binary number. Okay. So any other binary number? 45. Okay. Two. So 1 is enough. We can't go. Okay, we cannot spend much time on this conversion. We will do 2 to 3 sums and we'll go to the further thing. Okay. It becomes 44. Then it is 22, 2, 0, 11. So it is 12, 1. It becomes 10. It's 5. So 1, it becomes 2, 0. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is his 45 number. Okay. This is how we have to calculate to decimal to binary. Okay. Okay. Like the same way, we are calculating this binary number to decimal, binary to decimal. Okay. So how we can to calculate is 1 into 2 power 0, 1 into 2 power 1. So anything power 0 which is 1, which is 2 to the power is equal to 1, 8 power 0 is equal to 1, 10 power 0 is equal to 1. Anything power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 0 into anything is 0. 1 into 2 power 3 is 8. So we have to add 8 2 plus 1, which is 11. Yeah. Good guys. Good. So 11. So this 1011 is equal to 11 of decimal number. Okay. This is how we have to calculate a binary to decimal, decimal to binary. Okay. How did you get the power, sir? I already told for decimal it is 10. For decimal it is power 10. Binary is power base 2. It's not about power. Okay, how can you get the power, sir? I already told the powers of 0 power 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each digit we have to take a power of plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Okay. Okay. Please come with me. Okay. If you get anything distracted, you will not see the next thing will be surprised. Okay. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1. I already told you, no, 1, 1, 1 means this is what 2 power 0, this is 2 power 1, this is 2 power 2, this is 2 power 3. Okay. So this value, we can directly solve this. 2 power 1 is 1 plus 2 plus just 0 plus 8. You can do like this also. Yeah, based on the position. Okay, based on the position only. Yes, ma'am. Right. Okay. Likewise, we are using the binary numbers and decimal numbers. I will give one shortcut. Okay, I will tell one shortcut. Okay. Any number. Okay. Two power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 3, sorry, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. This is enough. Okay, this value is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Okay, up to 127 to 0, 1. 1 or 0. You can tell any number. I will tell the binary number. Okay, tell any number within 127 to 0. $84. Okay, fine. Guys, I'm telling 127. Why you are typing 138? Okay, 127 to 0. Okay, first I got 84. Superman. So 84 is nothing but 64 plus 20. Plus 20. Okay, if I add 64 plus 16 plus 4, is it 84? Then put others marks in the 0. You will get 1010100 is 84 binary number. You got it? Okay. So 118. Yeah, like the same way. 118 or 111. I will do two things here. Only two numbers is enough. Okay, 111 and 118. Okay, 111 means if you add both things, it becomes 96. Okay, so 96. 96, 111. Again, we have to add 15. Okay, sorry. 106 plus, yes, 96, 15. Okay, 96 plus 15. Is it right? This is for 111. Okay, for 118. Okay, for 118, which is comes under only 9 difference of 9 1 2 7. Okay, only 9 difference. Okay, for 9 difference, 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. This is for 118. Okay, you can easily calculate for 118. Okay, like the same way you can convert the binary number to the decimal number. Tell any binary number. I ask binary number, not a decimal number. Binary number. Yes, Neka. Thank you so much. Okay, binary number. Enough guys. Enough. Okay. I will take 0 1 1 1. I can easily take this. This value is 2. 2 plus 4 8. This value is 14. Okay, this value is 14. If I take Akshaya's values 1 1 0 0 0 and 1, is it right? Okay, 32 plus 3 is 35, right? Again, we can do silver anime number is okay. Okay, I delete this and I will do silver anime number is 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, 0 1. Okay, so I add 32 plus 8 40 44 45. Is it right? That's all. You can easily get the binary to decimal, decimal to binary. Only for 0 will be what 0 will be. Got it, sir. Okay, this is how we have to calculate binary to decimal, decimal to binary. This is the shortcut, guys. This is shortcut. Guys, I don't get you actually. Please tell me if you have any doubt. I don't understand what is 2 means. Okay, 2 and question mark. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please tell me or ask me. Okay, this is how we have to calculate binary to decimal, decimal to binary. So we can easily calculate the binary to decimal, but how can we calculate minus 15? Okay, we know how to convert the decimal number to binary number. Okay, so what we have to do is first step number 1 is we have to find out the plus 15 binary number. How we can calculate? So 15 by 2 1, it becomes 14 and 7 1 3. So 15 binary number is 1 1 1 1 base 2 because it is binary number. Okay, binary number. So second step, which is we have to convert this binary number into 8-bit number. 8-bit number. Sorry for my handwriting, guys. I'm learning to how to write in this board. Okay, 8-bit number. Now this is 4-bit. So we have to convert this into 8-bit. So 8-bit is 0. We have to add 4 zeros and 1 1 1. Okay, base 2. So this is how we have to calculate. So we convert this 4-bit to the 8-bit number. This is what 8-bit is. Third step, we have to take 1's complement. 1's complement is nothing but we have to convert the 0 into 1, 1 into 0. This is what 1's complement is. Why should we take 8 not getting, sir? Okay, this is the process, sir. This is how we have to convert the minus decimal number. Whatever the number they are given, we have to convert into the 8-bit number, sir. This is the process. Okay. So fourth step, which is 2's complement. 2's complement is not converting again and again. So we have to just add 1 to it. Okay, just 1 to it. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Again, it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is minus 15 binary number is. For any negative value, we should take like this. Yes, this is the process. First process, we have to convert into the normal binary number. Then we have to convert into 8-bit. Here only we have 4-bit. If the numbers have already 6 or 7-bit, we have to add 1 0. That is enough. Okay, I have to convert this number into the 8-bit. If the particular number is 8-bit, you need not to convert it. Okay, if the number is 9-bit, okay, if the number is 9-bit, then we have to add 7 zeros. That's all. Okay, but they are asking very basic questions only. They are not going beyond that minus 35 or minus 40, something like that. So this is enough. Okay, so then you have to take the 1's complement. Then you have to take the 2's complement. 1's complement is nothing but you have to, okay, yes, 9-bit is like, no. If the particular number is, if the particular decimal number which is comes for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is called 9-bit. No need to add 9 zeros. Okay, if it comes like this, then only we have to add some zeros before that. We have to take it as 8 and 8. Okay, don't go for it. Okay, don't confuse yourself a lot. Better, this is enough. Okay, it's not necessary to take a 9-bit numbers. Okay, this is enough. Yeah, I will do this minus 45. Wait. No need of worrying 9-bit, sir. This is irrelevant to the current exam. Okay, which is irrelevant to the current exam. Please stick on to the what we need. Okay, because this is the crucial time. That's why I'm asking. If we have a leisure time, we will deals with 20-bit, 30-bit also. We don't want to study unnecessarily things right now. Okay. What is minus 45? What is 45? 45 is binary number. First step. Now you guys have to tell. Not every time I'm not going to do all these things. What is the binary number of 45? One 11011. Is it? No. This is not. This is the 45 number. Guys, kindly check that. 45 binary number. 1, it becomes 44. It is 22. 11. 1, it becomes 5. 0. Yes, the number is 101101. Why guys? Guys, kindly check your previous. Okay, most of the people are doing in a wrong way. So kindly check yourself. Okay. Don't worry about that. Please do it correctly. Okay. So first thing is you find the binary number. Okay. Now this bit is 6-bit. Okay. Now this is 6-bit. Okay, 6-bit number. So you have to convert into the 8-bit number. So 8-bit number means we have to just add 2 zeros is enough because already it is 6-bit. Okay, then you have to take is 1's complement. 1's complement, what you have to do, convert the zeros into the 1 into the 0. Okay, then 2's complement. So please be careful, guys. Don't do any mistakes. Okay, this is the very crucial step. Okay, then we have to add 1 to the 0. Okay, plus 1 to the whole number. 0 plus 1 is 1 always. So then we have to write other numbers as it is. This is minus 45's binary number. Okay, that's all. Yeah, good, Pradeepa, ma'am. Yeah, perfect, ma'am. Super. So this is how we have to do. Okay, so next important thing is 1010.101. Okay, how will we know how to calculate this number? Okay, we know how to calculate this number. Okay, but we don't know how to calculate. Can you please explain the binary to decimal again? Okay, why you are circulating this particular thing again and again? I don't understand. Okay, newly come to this class, or you already been in the class? Okay, whatever it is, which is the power of 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Okay, we have this value. So 2 power 1 into 0 is 0, plus 1, which is 2, plus 0, plus 8. The whole value is 10. Okay, how to calculate this? Okay, after dot, how to calculate this? Okay, which is not 0.5. Kindly wait, ma'am. Okay, if we take 1, 1, 1, okay, 0.1, 1, 1. Now we have to understand. Okay, we know. Okay, this is what 2 power 0, 2 power 1, and 2 power 2. Okay, we know everything. What is this becomes? This is what 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3, 2 power minus 4. Okay, if 1 into 2 power minus 1, which is nothing but 1 by 2 or 0.5. Okay, 1 by 2 or 0.5, which is 1 into 0.5 is 0.5 only. Again, 1 into 2 power minus 2 is 1 by 4 or 0.25. 0.25. 1 into 2 power minus 3. Why it is not starting from 0 means because we are already started 0 here. Why we are using 2 zeros? Okay, that's why we are not starting 0 again. We are already using 0, man. Why we are using again and again 0? Okay, then this becomes 0.125. 1 by 16 or 0.0625. 0.625. Kindly note another one, 2 power minus 5. Okay, this is enough, guys. This is enough. Okay, for a point. Okay, if they are asking 101 means this value is 0.5 plus this value is 0. This value is 0.125. So both we have to add 0.625. Okay, the total value is 10.625. Okay, this is how we have to calculate. Okay, I will tell Pavitra or right. This is clear. I can clear it. Yeah. So what your question is? We already did 1 plus 1, which means 1. We are asking 1 plus 1. Yeah. This is, yeah. If we are adding 1 plus 1, it becomes 0. We have to carry forward the 1. Okay. If the continue the number, if it is 0, it becomes 1 here. Or if 1 plus 1 means 0. Again, this 1 plus 1 is 10. Again 0. So 1 plus 1 is 0. 0. Then this one will come here. Okay. Like this one we have to do. Clear? Okay. Fine. Okay. We know how to calculate the decimal binary numbers into point binary numbers to the decimal number. But if they are asking about 13.72, okay, 75. They are asking 75. Okay, how will you calculate? We know how to calculate for. You have to take the separate section. For 13, you have to do a calculation like 2, 1, 12, 6, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 0, 1 is the 13 binary number. So how to calculate 0.75, 0.75. Okay, you have to take 0.75 into 2 is what? 1.5. Okay, what we have to take is, you have to write the 1 here. You have to take the 1 here and you have to come to this 0.5 is come again this side. 0.5 into 2, which is 1.00. If the particular number is 0, the process is stopped. So again, write this 1. So this 0.75 is equal to 0.11. This is how we have to convert this 0.75 equal to binary number of 0.11. Like the same way, you have to calculate for 0.625. Kindly calculate it. .625. Yeah, calculate and tell the answer. Like the same way, 0.625 into 2. So 0.625 into 2 is nothing but what? 1. Just tell me. 1.25. Yeah, super. So we have to take the point. Okay, after point values okay. Yeah. So we have to take this one here. Okay, then it becomes 0.25. Okay, into 2. Then it becomes 0.5. We have to take the 0 here. Again, 0.5 into 2, which is 1.00. If this point becomes 0, the process is ended. So we have write 1. So 101 is the value. Clear? Yeah, that's all. That means 101. This is how we have to calculate the binary to decimal, decimal to octal. Okay. Like the same way, you have to calculate octal to binary. Octal to binary. So first you should understand what is octal number is. Octal numbers which is represented in 3-bit. Which is represented in 3-bit. Okay. So the value is 2 power 0, 2 power 1 and 2 power 2. The value is 1, 2, 4. For 0, we put 3 zeros here. For octal, we have to write it like this. For 0, we have to put 3 0. For 1, 0, 0, 1. For 2, 0, 1, 0. Because why I'm putting 1 here? This value is 2. 3, 0, 1, 1. 4, 1, 0, 0. 5, 1, 0, 1. For 6, 1, 1, 0. For 7, 1, 1, 1. Clear? Octal numbers is for 0 to 7. Base 8. Okay. For any octal number, tell any octal number. Any octal number. Okay, I can write any octal number. 50, yeah, 357 base 8. This is the octal number. And this is the octal number. So how to convert this octal to binary? How to convert this octal to binary? What is the value of 3? 0, 1, 1. What is the value of 5? 1, 0, 1. What is the value of 7? 1, 1, 1. This is how we have to convert the octal to binary. That's all. It's very simple actually. Okay. Only thing is you have to know the value of 0 to 7 binary values of octal. We have to convert this octal number. This is the value of 3. This is the value of 5. This is the value of 7. So you have to add all the numbers sequentially. You will get the binary number value of 357 octal number. Clear? Tell me any other octal number. Okay. Enough. Thank you. So 242. 242. So what is the value of 2? 1, 0, 1, 4, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0. Again, 4, sorry, octal number which cannot comes under 8. It's only 0 to 7. 8 will not come under octal. Okay. If 8 comes, it is not an octal number. Okay. So 254. Anyway, thanks for writing this. For 2, it's 101, 5, 101, 4, 100. That's all. This is how we have to write any octal number to binary number. Okay. So in the same way, I will write one binary number. Okay. If this is the binary number, how to convert this binary number to octal? How to convert this binary number to octal? So it's a simple process again. We have to split this number from left to right, in the 3, 3. What is the value of this thing? This value is, you guys have to tell, 6. What is the value is? 2. What is the value? 5. So 526 base 8. This is how we have to calculate the binary number to octal number. Okay, again 1010. If the only one is there, okay, every people will stuck up with, sir, what we have to do if we get only one is there? Okay, we have to add 2 zeros, that's all. Okay, so what is the value here? 5 3 3 5 1. Pallavi ma'am, you are right. Okay, previously I was writing this number only, so you are right only, but I'm adding one here for some additional information here given. Okay, so no need of add 2 zeros. Why, Akshaya, you are adding 2 zeros? Okay, this value represent 1. Okay, no need to add 2 zeros. Are you clear or you are confused? Okay, fine. Thank you. So this is how we have to calculate octal to binary, binary to octal. So like the same way, we have to convert hexadecimal to binary. So for hexadecimal, we are representing 4-bit numbers: 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So 1, 2, 4, 8. So if you want to represent 0 in the hexadecimal, we have to add, sir, okay, before binary numbers, we have add 2 zeros to make a 3. Okay, if I thought I have to add 2 zeros in the answer. Okay, no need to take it in the answer, ma'am. Okay, no need to take it in the answer. Okay, if it is 0, we have to represent in the 4-bit. Nothing will be surprised in this hexadecimal. If you are okay with the octal number, you can easily understand what is hexadecimal is. Octal number which is represented in the 3-bit, for hexadecimal which is represented in the 4-bit. That's all. Okay, for 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. For 2, it is 0, 0, 1, 0. For 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. For 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. For 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. For 7, 0, 1, 1, 1. 8, 1, 0, 0, 0. For 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. For 10, we have to write A. A is 1, 0, 1, 0. For B is 11, 1, 0, 1, 1. For C is 12, 1, 1, 0, 0. For D is 13, 1, 1, 0, 1. For E is 14, 1, 1, 1, 0. For F it is 15. Okay. So this is nothing but 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Clear? Like the same way, if you want to convert any hexadecimal number to F9, what is the value of 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. What is the value of F? 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the value of 9? 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. 1, 0, 0, 1. We have to write 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, because you need not to write 2 zeros every time. Okay, this will be a right answer. If you are taking this as your answer, this will be your answer, because no need to write 2 zeros for every time. Okay, this is the right answer. Both are right answer. So sometimes the answer will give like this only. You should understand. Okay. So like the same way, we have to write 3C A. Tell me the answer. B6 7. I need the answer for these things. 3CA, B67. Yeah, good, ma'am. So you are cutting last 2 zeros. Yeah, perfect. Good, guys. Excellent. Yeah, good. So this is how we have to calculate hexadecimal to binary. Okay. In one previous question, they are asking 99 or 6, 99 or 10. Which is a greater value? So what is 99 base 6? What is 99 base 10? First of all, this is hexadecimal number. This is normal decimal number. So which number is greater? So what you have to do is, you have two options. To convert. You know what is the value of 99 in the decimal. Either you should convert this number to the decimal. Okay, because we know the value of decimal numbers only. We don't know exact value of hexadecimal numbers. So what you have to do is, you have to convert this 99 base 16 into the decimal number. Then only we able to know the value of both numbers. Then only we can share which is greater. Okay, do one thing. You know the value. Okay, how to calculate 1009 1001. So this is how we have to convert. So you should convert this binary to the decimal number. What is the value here? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Obviously, it is 128 plus, so 99.99 base 16 is greater. How it is 537? Kindly check this. Okay, which is not 577. I think you are missing some numbers. Ram Babu, yeah, kindly check this. It's just 2 power 7 only. 2 power 7 is 128 only. Okay, if you are going for 2 power 9 only, we got 512. I think you have made some mistakes in this number. That's all. Which is okay. If I got this answer, this okay, 128 plus obviously. So the correct value is 153. Yes, but we know which is higher than this 99. So this value is greater. So we have another option to how to convert this octal to decimal. Sorry, hexadecimal to decimal is 99 9 into 16 power 0. Okay, anything power 0 which is 1. So 1 into 9 is 9. Then 9 into 16 power 1. 9 16s are 144. So if you add 153 is the decimal number. You can go by this way also. But why I'm suggesting this way is, you are well versed in this thing. You are well versed in these things. Either you can go by this way or this way. Okay, can go by this way or that way. This is how we can directly convert this Sir, how to find whether the question is asking hexadecimal or decimal? Okay, it's simple, sir. Simple, ma'am. They are asking the power of base. Okay, base 16 or base 10. Okay, if they are giving base 16 means that is hexadecimal. Otherwise, they are directly giving find the hexadecimal number of this. Okay, find the hexadecimal number of 2A, B, or 796, whatever it is. They are already given the hexadecimal. If they are not mentioning any hexadecimal or decimal, they are giving a power 96 or 10. Okay, they will give. Don't worry. So this is his number system. So this is what they are asking in the exam. Okay, in the exam they are asking like this only. So you should concentrate on this part. Okay, we have some more important points to add on. If you give another 10 to 15 minutes, I will add something. Or if you want to close the class on 7:30, that would be fine. Okay, it's up to your choice. Okay. Thank you guys. Because I know what is the problem is. Okay. So I will add some points and I will share this PPT to you. Kindly look this. Okay. So we know what is internet is. So we are using internet in our home. This is our home-based model. We have a modem. So modem which is used for connecting our internet service provider to our system. Usually we have this modem and system in the early days. Okay, don't link with these things. We are directly connected to our modem and the system. We are using it. What modem does it? Modem convert analog signal. Okay, directly service providers will give analog signals to us. Okay, this modem convert this analog signal to the digital signals and digital signals to the analog signals. So modem is modulated, demodulated. That's why it is called modem. So now we are using it's a Wi-Fi. We are using Wi-Fi routers. These routers make this internet in the common Wi-Fi platform. This Wi-Fi, which is we can connect it to our laptop, mobile, and printer. We can access the printer through our mobile phone. Okay, we can take the printout using our smartphone because everything will be connected in the same network. That's why we are connected in the same network. That's why it belongs to a common network. We cannot see the wires, but we are communicate with the wireless technology of Wi-Fi. Okay, we are using the common network. So router which gives a common network and strengthen or boosting the data. Okay, this is what. But nowadays we are merging the modem and router. They are giving a single devices called modem and router, which is converted into a single device. That particular device will give a modulator and demodulator of frequencies of analog to digital, digital to analog, and transmit the Wi-Fi wireless communication also. Okay, so this is a best example of personal area network, because in the home we are the if we have a connection in our home, we are the only persons we are going to use in our all family members are using this particular Wi-Fi. No other can easily enter into our network. Okay, only our family members can work out. We have a system, laptop, a mobile phone, and tablet, whatever we have, we are connected into the particular network. Okay. Then what is internet? Okay, this is how the internet is working. We know who is service provider is. Okay, the internet, which is only the internet cannot do anything, because internet is the medium of getting the information from the server. Okay, without server we cannot use the internet, because if the server doesn't allow anything, okay, what is the use of internet you have? Because internet is the medium, we can fetch the information from the end server. Okay, so there are 12 companies which provide end servers, end system servers. Okay, they are connecting globally. They have lot of end server system. in South India, we have a junction in Bangalore. So like the same way, we have a end system servers. The 12 companies can put their server in all over in the world. So we can get the information or fetch the information from this end server only. Okay, this is the process we already know. From our service provider, internet service provider, we get the internet. But the access from is end server. Okay, this is how the internet is working. For internet, we cannot directly access the internet in our system. We need a web browser to search the particular address or something. Okay, this web browser is a software to access the World Wide Web. We cannot directly connect the internet to our system and searching like that. We need a web browser as a software to get the particular address or information from the net server. So we are using web browser. The web browser is the one we can directly access the particular website or some URL into the World Wide Web. The search engines which help to find the particular address as a keyword. So we don't know the exact things about the particular thing. So we did searching in the Google. Okay, Google has suggested some input ideas. Okay, Google will suggest some input suggested thing based on the whatever the keywords you are searching. If you are liking best food in the your Chennai, best food in the Chennai means whatever the nearest location you have in the best centers, you have comment. If you are in the Madurai, which comes under nearby Madurai location. If you are comes in the Delhi, so Delhi locations, it will be automatically connected and it will give some suggestions. So search engine will give some suggestion, but web browser, in the web browser, we are using search engine. Okay, we have different set of web browser and search engine. Okay, kindly note this web browser is because they are asking what is the difference between web browser and search engine. Okay, what is the list of search engine and web browser? Because we are confusing what is search engine and what is web browser. This is usually happen. Okay, in the exam. So kindly think. Okay, this is what is URL is. The URL, every URL have a like this only, they have a portal, they have a domain name, and they have a path file. Okay, this is what hypertext is. Okay, every URL have a hypertext. Before that, www dot is there, World Wide Web is dot there. Before that, hypertext transfer protocol is there. This hypertext transfer protocol is a secured path. If it is yes, it is the particular domain is secured or certified by the Chrome or some browsers will certify the particular link, or you will see some lock symbol in there in the URL. If you watch, if you go for any searching or browsing in Google, kindly check. You can find some lock symbol. That means that particular site is secured. That particular site is secured. If this domain and this port protocol, which is common for every page for the particular website, this path file will different for each page of the website. For example, if you go for a Facebook, for http facebook.com is permanent. For your web page, the path file is different. If you are searching in the next page or you are searching for a friend or a request, the path file will differ. Okay, but the domain itself, it cannot change. Okay, so URL is nothing but a specific address on the World Wide Web. So you can directly click the link. You can directly get the address of the particular website in the World Wide Web. You can directly get the information. Okay, what is DNS? A domain name system. Each website and each content have a different IP address. Okay, we know what is IP address is. So we cannot remember all these IP address. So what they do is they are linking the IP address with some name. For example, if it is facebook.com, they have 216.3.128.17.12. Okay, you cannot type all this IP address for while searching the every content of yours. So this IP address, which is connected to the Facebook hypertext. Okay, if you are typing facebook.com, this IP address will automatically call. Okay, you will directly access the particular site. So every website and every network or every content of the internet, every website will connected to the every hypertext which is connected to the IP address. If you type the hypertext and the domain name, it will directly recall the IP address. Okay, every system has a own IP address. If you send some mail, okay, letter to someone, we have a send address, okay, sender address and receiver address. Okay, the same like every system has a unique IP address. From this only, the sender will send a package to a particular recipient or particular recipient address to they send the message properly. If the IP address is mismatched or changed or entirely wronged, or it will change again and again, we cannot send. So IP address is permanent for a particular network. If you change any network, the IP address is changed, but your physical address won't change. The computer physical address or your mobile phone physical address won't change, but your IP address is okay. For your IP address is permanent for your particular network. If you change your network, the IP address will change. Okay. If I send some information to a particular person, it will show where did you get the message to the IP address and to sender IP address. You can easily track through IP address. So domain level, top level domains name, you have to note it down. So this is commercial.com, .edu, .gov, .int, .ml for military, .net for networking providers, .org for non-profit organization. Okay, these are the top level domains we are used for this purpose. For commercial, we are using .com. For education purpose, we are using .edu. For government website, it is .gov, like that only. Okay, so this is country level domain. For Amazon in India, we are using amazon.in. For the same Amazon, we are using in US, amazon.us. Okay, like same way, the companies are using like this only. Okay, so this is called network types. Okay, from this network types, we'll end the section. Okay, we have a network types of personal area network, local area network, wireless local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, storage area network. So personal area network we already saw. We are using in our home in a single network to our all the personal laptop and system, tablet system into a single network, which is used for a personal area network. So local area network is nothing but we are using in a single building. So even though which is used for up to 3 kilometers, but we are using in a single story of building. Okay, single building which is used in the LAN. Okay, the same way the LAN which is connected in the wireless format is wireless local area network. The campus area network is nothing but it's the best example is a university or school. We have a multiple of department and the campus building. We have connected all the buildings into a same common network is called campus area network. Metropolitan area network means if you have a same city, we have a 5 different office. Each office we are using LAN only, but all the LANs will be connected in the metropolitan area network. Okay, so wide area network which is used on different countries. Okay, the same company is accessing London, America, India, so they are using wide area network. Storage area network means every company have its own storage area. For example, if the bank have okay, we cannot get the information everything from the server or a cloud storage. Sometimes we need to store our personalized data on our own, because bank have some credential or very important high profile data in our own bank. So we have to maintain this storage on our own. So we made a network for our own thing. Okay, we made a network, or we created the separate network for the storage area. Because why we are using a separate network? Because if you are using a common network to the storage area, easily people can access the storage area network. If some hackers will hack into the particular network, they will get the information, and they may do a internal transaction or so many transactions, so the system will failure. So they have a separate network for storage area and highly firewall protected. Okay, so this is enough. So what you have to concentrate on, can you explain what is WLAN? WLAN is nothing but a wireless local area network. In the local area network, you are connected with wires. Okay, all the systems in the flows were connected with wires. In the wireless local area network, the same process is done without wire. You can use in the Wi-Fi. That's all. Yeah, Opera is the both web browser and web search engine is there. Okay, one thing you want to understand. So we have to know about some important protocols in the emails. Okay, SMTP and IMAP and POP3 and MIME. So these are the protocols which is used. Explain on the firewall. Okay, firewall is nothing but it's a protection software of network. Okay, no one can easily enter into the network easily, because firewall is our compound wall. No one can easily enter our home without our permission, but the good hacker can cross or breach the firewall. Like some people will easily jump into our compound wall into the house. Okay, like the same way, if you want to protect the firewall is the maximum effort, you can do electric fencing and like this, so you can get the maximum protection. Okay, like that only we are using some strong programs or strong code, the firewall is used. So firewall, and also it's help to prevent some from fake website to access. Okay, thank you. So thank you guys, thank you. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, if you want anything you want to clear, you just ask the question. Yes, thank you guys. One question, the previous class, like 2 to the power of 25 terabyte, which is equal to how many bits? Pardon, one question is previous class, 2 to the power of 25. What 2 to the power of 25 bit is equal to the how many byte? 2 to the power of 25. They are asking like this. Okay, kindly check the question, ma'am. You can send the question to me. Okay, no issue. One question is previously class, 2 to the power of 25, the terabyte is equal to how many bit? Okay. So I think some error in the question. So kindly some knowledge sharing section. Thank you guys. Sir, about email terms. Email terms, we are using a lot of email terms like 2CC, BCC. Okay. What is the difference between CC and BCC? Okay, if you have a time, I will share. Okay. The difference between CC and BCC is we can directly send a mail to two recipient only. Okay, we can send a message to the particular recipient in the two only. For CC, it is for I'm sending a particular mail to this person. You are under the CC, so you can watch, or you are the reference person, or you are the head of this particular person. You are put in the CC, so which means this mail is not meant for you. Okay, I'm sending this mail to this person. You are acknowledged by CC. But for BCC, it is used for both official and formal and informal way. In this BCC, it's a blank carbon copy. That blank carbon copy, which is the person which is disabled, okay, which is not shown for 2 and CC. whoever which in the BCC, it is not which is not seen by CC and 2. Two people can see CC and how many members in the CC and 2. CC people can see 2 and CC, but BCC people can see the CC and 2 people. 2 and CC people can never see the BCC people. Then carbon copy. Okay, in the previous question, if you have a chance, please share this previous question. I don't get that previous question, which is exactly right or wrong. So if possible, kindly share me that previous question. I will tell. One question, previous question was 2 to the power 25 is a terabyte, which is equal to how many bits? Okay. Okay, 2 to the power 25 terabytes. Okay, this is somehow mismatched. 2 to the power 25, which is not a terabyte. Okay, kindly check once again. Give me the exact question. Okay, because every byte is nothing but if we convert. Okay, I will tell you. Okay. If you convert byte to bit, okay. How to convert byte to bit? Okay. This one byte is equal to 8 bit. That means 1 byte is equal to 2 to the power of 3 bit. Okay, if they are asking 2 to the 25 byte, they are giving, if you want to convert into the bit, 2 to the power of 25 into 2 to the power of 3, because we are converting this byte to the bit. So bit we have to add, if the same number is there, we have to add the power. So 2 to the power of 28 is the answer. If we convert byte to the bit, we have to convert plus 3, that's all. The CC is carbon copy. Please mention the protocol terms. Okay, protocol is nothing but SMTP POP3, Post Office Protocol version 3, IMAP, think so. Okay, Internet Mailing Access Protocol. Okay, this is the protocol. This protocol which is used to send a mail. These protocols which is used to receive a mail. Okay, for sending a particular email, we are using SMTP. Okay, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. For receiving a mail, we use Post Office Protocol and Internet Message Accessing Protocol. Okay, for multimedia information we attached into the mail is we are using MIME. Okay. In order to convert decimal to octal, we are raised 8. Yes, exactly. Like the same we did in hexadecimal, we are doing in the octal one. Yeah. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol and Post Office Protocol version 3. This is. Is it viewable, guys? Okay. Okay, anything else, guys? Happy Teachers Day, you guys. Happy Teachers Day. Guys, and remember one thing, for ICT and governance, okay? If you have a time, please listen, okay? ICT and governance, you have to watch My Government app, and Umang app, Umang, UMANG, Umang app, and My Government app, My Government, and eNorm, and BHIM, BIM. So So I have a PPT. Don't worry, I will send it to you. Okay, I don't have a time to teach all this. This Umang is the app or website which is used for an employer benefit or a citizen benefit. We can access all the government website into the single portfolio. Okay, in a single portal. Okay, we can access EPO and employee provident fund and all these things will come under this Umang app. My government app is the citizen can access the access or part of the governance. Okay, they are asking you have to design made in India for a logo. You have to design a logo for made in India. They are asking like that, so people can create a logo and send it to them. They are reviewing and select that. Okay, so people can directly involve in the governance. Okay, this is my government. E-norm, which is used for trading. Farmers can directly trade their commodity to this particular website. Buyers and sellers can easily access this e-norm. So BIM, you know, so it's an electronic transfer. Can you give your email ID, sir, so I can double? Okay, if you have a doubt, okay, I will tell my email ID. You can send the Professor Academy mail ID. Okay, professoracademychennai@gmail.com. professoracademychennai@gmail.com. Okay, 1 GB is equal to 2 byte strong, then 10 power 25 terabyte, which is equal to the storage byte. The answer is 253. Okay, 2 power 53. Yes, I told you, no. What terabyte? Which is 253 or 2 power 53? Which is 2 power 53. Is it right? 2 power 53. Is it right? And it is 2 power 53 or 253. Can you please confirm this? And you were there? So for example, they are given for, I will write one question. 1 GB is equal to, option A, 1024 into 1024 KB, B, 1024 into 1024 into 1024 KB, C, 1024 MB into 1024, D, 1024 GB. Okay, we have to find out 1 GB is equal to what. Okay, if the question is like this, so what is the value of 1024 KB? 1024 KB is equal to 1 MB. 1 MB into 1024 is what? 1 GB. 1 GB into 1024 was 1 TB. So this is not your answer. B is not the answer. 1024 KB is equal to 1 MB. 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. So the answer is A, which is not the C, because I'm giving 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. 1 GB into 1024 is 1 TB. Okay, the confusion is like that. Okay, this is 1 MB, which means 1 GB. 1 GB into 1024 is what? It's 1 TB. So the value is this one. Option A is correct. Okay, again, Annie, you are writing some questions. I don't know. Okay, you are asking about 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte is equal to how many bit? Okay, how many bit. We know kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. Is it so? Okay. Yeah, you are right, boss. What you are writing is 1 terabyte. You are not writing 1 terabyte. 1024 terabyte, which is equal to 1 exabyte or petabyte? 1 petabyte. So you have to calculate for 1 petabyte. This is the question. Okay. 1024. So 1 KB is equal to what? 1 KB is equal to 2 power 10, 2 power 20, 2 power 30, 2 power 40, 2 power 50. So which is byte. If you want to calculate for bit, you have to convert 2 power 50 into 2 power 3. So that's why 2 power 53. So they are giving, purposely they are giving 1024 terabyte, because we know 1 terabyte is equal to 240, but 1024 is equal to 1 petabyte. Got it? Hope you got it. So 1 petabyte is equal to 1024. Sorry, 1 petabyte is equal to 2 power 50. So 2 power 50 bytes. If you want to convert into bit, okay, for byte, it is 250, 2 power 50. For byte, it is 2 power 50. If you want to convert the byte into bit, byte into bit, means 1 bit is equal to 2 power 3 bytes. That means 8 bit. Okay, 8 is equal to what? 2 into 2. That's why we are giving 2 power 3. If you are converted this byte into bit, means 2 power 50 into 2 power 3, because we are changing entire bit to byte to bit. Okay, so if the same number is that, we can add the powers 2 power 53. Is it clear? So we know the byte value. So if you want to convert into the bit, we have to add 3. That's all. So purposely they are giving 1024 terabyte, because 1024 terabytes equal to 1 petabyte. That's all.